welcome to another episode of Iane James Virtual Zone. So I'm your host, Ian, and I help every people like you to start working at home as a virtual assistant, even if you're just starting out. And for today's episode is for those who are asking, I am ready to be a BA, but where do I find my first client? So especially if you are shy or you feel scared, so this one is for you. So let's be real, right? So why getting your first client feels so hard? So, it feels so scary and you might think that what if I mess up, or what if no one wants me to hire, or no one wants to hire me? What if I'm not good enough? Okay? So I know the feeling. So I just really I understand you, but please breathe. Okay? So we all start somewhere, and I'm going to show you three ways to find your first client, even if even without being pushy or salesy, or being overwhelmed. So are you ready? So number one is you start with the people you know. So who are these people? So you don't need, to start with the strangers. So you can ask your friends and family, or even your old workmates. Okay. So you can just say something, like this. So, hey, I'm starting as a virtual assistant. If you know anyone, right, who needs help with admin or emails or social media, let me know. So, you'll be surprised because someone always knows someone. So number two is post on social media, even if you are nervous. So this is what I want you to know, that visibility in our, industry is very important. So you don't need to be, a social queen or social media queen. You just make one post, okay? Something like, hey friends, I started as offering virtual assistant services. I can help with inbox or calendar or emails and social media. If you or someone you know needs a hand, then I love to chat. Let's talk about it. Simple, friendly, and it works. Number three is join VA or business Facebook groups. So you can just search in Facebook, and then look for, virtual assistant jobs or online business support or freelancers work from home. And then begin introducing yourself, be helpful, and look out for the posts that say, looking for a VA. And then when you comment and message, just be honest and be kind. And that goes, a long way. So here's my tip. You don't need to be perfect, okay? You don't need also to have a perfect profile, or a fancy like website or ads, or even a portfolio at the beginning. All you need is just you being honest and eagerness to help, and of course good communications. Okay, so you don't have to be loud, you don't have to be perfect yet, but you just have to start. So your first client is waiting. They just need to know you exist. So if you want more support, you can just follow my Facebook, Instagram, or this one, and you can get some value from my previous episodes, and you can hit subscribe and share it with your friend. And yeah, this is Iane James, and I'm cheering on you here in Iane James Virtual Zone. Until next time, bye.